Justin Bell here for the world's fastest car show. We like to take you where others dare not go. Before I get it dirty, I thought I'd give you a guided tour. You know, instantly, really, the Cayenne came up with its own signature silhouette, as distinctly Porsche as the 911, really. But on the GTS, they have done some detail work to make it a little bit more different. Very evolved front end, such a sophisticated aerodynamic under tray. It's not HAL from 2001, but that is actually for the adaptive cruise control. A wider flared wheel arch, lower side sill, big rims with the red calipers. They're 6-piston, 14.2-inch rotors, normally aspirated V8, 4.8 litres, 420 horsepower. It's a split-wing roof spoiler. It has a tow hitch as an option, 4 exhausts with a matte black finish on the tips. It acoustically pipes the throaty roar of the V8 through into the cockpit. Apart from the fact it's bloody cold out here, let me show you. Now the Cayenne, as you know, joined the Porsche family back in 2002 and immediately became an icon, the desirable SUV in terms of performance and capabilities. So what else are you supposed to do? It is a high-performance road and track vehicle. It is also a very capable off-road vehicle. So, because we can, we thought we should. Oh, this is so much more fun. You know, it actually is amazing. I'm still in full road ride height. And it really does transition these bumps very well. The car just has a nice drift to it. Now obviously, nearly anyone would ever take the Cayenne GTS off-road, but this is almost perfect conditions for it because it's just sliding and it's fantastic. So obviously I'm keeping the PSM, the Porsche Stability Management, on because, you know, they have very clever algorithms on it and the sensors, but honestly, off-roading and just spinning the wheels doesn't get you anywhere. But here, you actually can really get some amazing traction with it on. Remember, all-wheel drive. Yoo-hoo! Ow! Ow! Talking about paint, the price option on the paint job on this car is over $3,000 for this beautiful red. As we're driving around here, there's lots of people out here motocrossing and off-roading, and I don't think they often see $130,000 fancy Porsches being driven like this. That's why we're doing it. And so perhaps one of the reasons it's got gobs of power is it shares the same engine as the Panamera GTS. So normally aspirated, all-wheel drive. I mean, there's a reason these cars are so high performing, even if I'm not right now. Right, now I finally see a challenge worthy of me and this mean machine. I hope I haven't bitten off more than I can chew. Okay, here goes nothing. Gotta just keep the momentum going. Bloody steep, actually. I think I may have exceeded not the car's operating limits, but my own. Let me just check. Can't be that. It is steep. Anyway, it could be time to head back to civilization.
Check back each week for more on your eBay Motors mobile app.
Woohoo! Ow! Ow!